ask question and I will answer.
Okay, so what exactly is this?
Pimentos.
These are pimentos.
Yeah.
And okay, so what are they for? What do I do with them?
Spice. You pick them off these.
Mm-hmm.
Then you put them
So I basically just hold them like this
yeah.
and just let them fall off. That's it. Can I do anything with the leaves?
Yeah.
What do you do with the leaves?
Gonna use it next spice.
You
Blend
make-
it.
Okay, and these are berries, right?
Yeah.
And so you grind the berries,
Yeah.
and then you also grind the leaves too.
Yes, to make spice.
Okay, pretty straightforward. These are pimentos, guys. They make allspice and I guess other spice. I don't know. Like when he told me I was gonna be doing this, I thought it was gonna be some work personally, but this is pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. Just play with balls, pretty much. No homo. Is it not politically Is it politically incorrect to say no homo nowadays, or do you usually gotta say pause? I don't know.
You can actually use these to
What do you do with the
as
stems?
spice. Grind them too.
You grind them? So you can't make a tea with any of this?
No.
No? It's not good for anything?
No, don't think so.
Okay. What's your name? I'm sorry.
Fiona.
Sorry?
Fiona.
Fiona.
Yeah.
Her name is Fiona G, like on Shrek. This is the first one I've ever met, and like she's black. I thought the
I'm not
first
green.
right? No,
I'm
not
not
green,
green.
but white. I thought the first Fiona I'd meet would be white. The first Fiona I've ever met, and she is sister, y'all, and she know all about the pimentos, baby. So what is all this little? I don't know if y'all see this, got like little fur on it. I don't know if that's mold or what. Not finna ask.
No, Cardi's lay here long enough, so no breeze or nothing, so they kind of get old.
So,
When Rod
yeah.
wash them and grind,
Yeah.
they're gonna come off.
Oh, so you still use these?
Yeah.
Okay, G. Look, if y'all got pimentos, I don't know why you would have some, but if you had some and they got this all over it, that's cool. When you know Roz wash them and grind them, that's not even gonna be there. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. I just make a little pile of these because of
No breeze.
no breeze. So you just basically you pick the berries down. They still green, right?
Yeah, you're still green enough. Lay them to dry.
You lay them out to dry. Are these little bugs always on them, or they just like in me?
No, always on them because they come off the tree.
Okay, so y'all couldn't warn me beforehand. There's gonna be a bunch of little bugs on top of this that you finna mess with. Let me check this angle real quick. I hate it because sometimes I'll be recording for like 40 minutes and have a bad angle. It's like having an interaction with a woman for like a whole hour and she's like, yeah, I don't feel anything. So yeah, you get what I'm saying, guys? So it's gotta be, I always think about weird stuff, like, and might be weird, but I wonder how did they first realize to start using this berry? Especially if you gotta dry it, like, can you use it while it's still green?
Some people use it, blend it and use it. Same way.
You can blend it
Yeah,
even then?
use it, yeah.
Oh, well, never mind then. Cause I was gonna say, I wonder who was the first person to realize that you had to dry some and blend it to even use it.
They get the smell of it when it dry. Yeah.
Ooh. I've been over here messing with this. It's like a citrusy, peppery, a bug almost went in my nosey type smell that comes off of this. I don't know how to explain it. It smells really good. Hey, this was pretty much what flavored the whole saltfish and ackee the other day. Now that I can smell it. Yeah, oh man, this is good. I need this and everything. They need a cologne made out of pimento, G. I ain't gonna lie to you.
The leaves?
Yeah, that's a good smell. That's a really good smell. Ross, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Are the leaves good for any like nutritional type things,
it's
like
part
if
of
you
the seasoning too, you know.
True.
Yeah, Heinz 57 ketchup.
Use the leaves.
Yeah,
I didn't know
where
that.
they source it from.
Okay.
That's part of their secret.
Got you.
Yeah, it's
So-
the leaves they use.
So they gonna come after you because you just gave out a piece of their secret.
If they have to.
Okay. Got you, bro.
Yeah, man. But did you know you're in Allspice Grove? And Allspice Grove, it's allspice. You're shelling an allspice.
Got you.
Yeah, and that's why we're close to Boston, which, you know, jerk is most famous for.
Right.
So all this used to be pimento plantation.
Okay, all right. Y'all
Yeah,
see this, right?
yeah.
So when I tell y'all that this is real jerk chicken I'm eating right here, this is authentic, the real stuff. I go to Boston to get it. The pimento is from right here. Everything is this stuff is locally sourced. Everything, real stuff.
Just gonna grind the leaves.
Hey, and Heinz 57, don't hurt him too bad. He only gave one ingredient. It ain't like he gave the whole recipe. Please.
So we're gonna grind the leaf too. Everything grind.
You have to let these dry like separate again, or just grind them the way they are.
Separate from.
Okay. All right. You let them grind separate.
So we're gonna have the leaf seasoning, different from the pimento seed seasoning.
Ah, see, at first I was thinking you mix in the leaf seasoning with the pimentos, with the allspice berries, but it's a whole separate situation.
Yeah.
That's dope. He goes for a lot of this when he cooks, huh? Man, I'm telling you, we got to do something. We got to start living a more sustainable lifestyles, guys. We got to start, because there's nothing doper than being able to go in your backyard or something and grab ingredients.
And this is very expensive.
It is?
Yeah.
And allspice is expensive, baby. This is crazy. This is crazy. I just feel like I'm not catching my face at all. Ooh. Ain't nobody see that, and if you did, I don't care. Yeah, I almost failed, but that happens. I feel like I got a slouch pouch. If I got a crazy slouch pouch, let me know. But it's cool, though. I work out every day, so I know I'm not, you know, I'm not unhealthy weight and all that. Did you laugh at me? Did you laugh at me? I got a slouch pouch, don't I?
What is it?
I got a slouch pouch. You just checked yours. I saw that she was like, okay. So you like, so he gets these wet and washes them.
Yeah.
And then lets them dry again?
Yeah. Grind them.
Okay, how long does it take them to dry after he washes them? Like he has to let them sit out in the sun again or
You
just
just for a day.
for a day? Okay. So basically, we just doing his work for him. Alright. Just so you know, when you visit Ross, he gonna put your ass to work.
Yeah.
No, she said that quick, yeah. He been on my heels about these pimentos for a couple of days. He like, so you gonna get out there and you gonna get out there and pick them, brother? But if you hear all that beating, that's him doing. This brother can weld. He can fix motorcycle, fix cars. He's an electrician. This dude is dope, and I think that comes from the lifestyle of growing up over here when you have a smaller country and you know it's not as developed as other places, but you still have brilliant people. You know, they're able to be inventive and overcome shortcomings that they don't have with technology and money per se, but they can create something and be creative with their, you know, the skills that they do have. So I think that's really awesome. I'm a little jealous of that we have it a lot too easy where we are. If something breaks at our home, we just go read the warranty or take it back and buy a new one. No one knows how to fix anything. Like, do you know anybody that knows how to fix anything anymore besides your car? And half the time, the mechanic that fix your car nowadays out of his alley or the garage or whatever, he don't know how to fix the real shit, and you ain't gonna trust him with all that. You go to him for brakes and like belts maybe. That's it. Brakes, belts, and that's all. You can check my fluids, my nigga, but you was not finna change a sensor. You feel me? Look, she agreeing. She knows, like, hell no, you ain't finna get up on the hell no. You know what else I found out that, well, at least over here in Boston had, I don't know if they got it over here too, but it was like neighborhood doctors, Joe. is dope. Like, y'all got around here too like that? Like people who just, like doctors at their crib? That's fucking amazing. Now look, I'm not saying to trust them with a heart transplant, but something simple, you ain't gotta go to the doctor. You go right over here to mom and them, big mom and them, and they know how to fix you up. We used to have it like that. We don't have it like that no more.
So we have trained nurse living in this scheme.
Oh, see what it is? They got trained nurses that, you know, while they home around here, they do they.
You can call.
Yeah, they'll come to you?
Yeah.
Man, they'll come to your crib, house calls, baby. I know weed man that don't even do house calls.
Because the hospital is so far away, they have nurses that live in the scheme.
I get what you're saying. Mainly because of the location of the hospital, if y'all can't hear her. I'm pretty sure you can, but just in case.
And the health center is right up there. The health center?
The health center? Okay. So, I think it's interesting that y'all don't pronounce the H's when y'all speak. Like, you just said the health center, and I was like, the who? No, it's okay. I'm not judging. I'm asking you, like, so is there a reason y'all don't? Is this just how it is?
No, just how we talk.
Right.
All we Jamaican understand. So we have to talk a little different.
I get you. I get you. The H is usually silent, though. I got you. The H is silent. So how you say husband?
Huh?
How you say husband?
Husband?
Oh, you say husband the right way, huh? Yeah, y'all serious about husband, so y'all say that word correctly.
Husband.
Y'all, everything else is ear, ting, husband. Ain't no games with that H. Husband. Damn, are these spider webs or what?
No, because it closed up.
Oh yeah, you
So,
said. I
no.
get you. So we finna do this whole pal?
Huh?
We finna do this whole thing?
No.
Okay. Cause I was gonna call my union rep. I didn't see no. Wasn't this whole thing filled the other day? This whole bowl was filled the other day, or was this a different bowl?
It's a different bowl.
Okay. Man, I want to keep some of this in my pocket for no reason. He's picking ackee. Right there, you see? Can you see that? Let me see. Oh, there we go. That's ackee. So you gotta hook that motherfucker and get your hook at it. Like, nah, yeah. That's how you get ackee. And that's it right there. Where'd it go? Right there. Let me get that for you guys. Oh, that's it right about there. That's it. That's ackee for you guys. We gotta get the seed out the middle, whatnot. That's the fruit right there. That part right there. I'm sorry, let me. She knows what she's doing. She's doing this way better than I was. She brought the whole limb. She said, I ain't got time for these games with you. Can I get it? Ah. This is all it is, guys. And her little short stuff out here getting it. She making it happen. Bam, right there with it. Yeah, it's a big seed on it. You can tell where the birds done got a hold to at least one of them. But yeah, once again, that's how we living. Akkee's on the dinner table tonight, so you don't get it, it ain't gonna get itself.
Ackee and pumpkin.
Sorry, say it again.
Ackee, pumpkin, and dumpling.
I'm sorry, that make you mad? You said so. You got snippy that time. Ackee, pumpkins, and dumplings. Got you, my bad, Joe. Fiona. I like saying her name just because it's like, yep, there's one way up there. You want me to get it?
Yeah.
All right, let me go and put this down, guys. Oh, no, you know. Oh, I saw that. You almost fell. Look here, guys. I want you to see it. I'm short, too, so while I'm talking shit about her, I'm going to need that long one, it seems like. I'm going to need that long one. People gonna be laughing at me now. They're gonna judge me. But fuck that. I gotta go get the big one. Damn, I'm fucking up. See it right here.
You see it from that angle?
No, I don't see it from this angle. I saw it from. Let me move this out the way. See if I see it.
Yes.
I see it down here. I'm on top of it. I'm underneath it.
Yes.
Successful.